Yeah, I'll do that.
Right, guys, we've got the new rig. We've got Reese Dopey over here, again. Rango. And this is the new rig.
It's going to be called Bessie.
No, it's not. It's, what's it called again? It's a Hyundai, and it's got it's a Huntsy. Hyundai, Mitsubishi, Huntsy. It's a Hunchi. We've got to paint that on the side.
Like Lynchy.
So we got. What did we say it was again? Isn't it a Mitsubishi Lantra?
Straight in the seat.
No, it's a Hyundai Lantra. Mitsubishi Magma.
It's had an engine swap.
Yeah, it's had an engine swap, and we got fucking popped the hood brake.
Oh, the seat's so much more comfy.
So we got this Mitsubishi motor in this Hyundai. Proof that it's a Hyundai Motor Company, right? Mitsubishi motor. It's Helmad standstills and smoke. We lit them up over there before. So I guess that's pretty Helmad. What's you doing in here, bitch?
Wow. I can't find the grinder. So.
Top drawer.
Top drawer of the fucking things.
The camera.
Over there.
We're going to check if the cigarette thing works. I'm not touching it.
Is it even hot?
Oh, hold on.
Yeah, no.
You gotta have it on for it to fucking work there.
We'll save that for a later date, that one.
What? Okay. Why not? Just jack her up and do it now.
I'm not doing it, it's not my car.
True, I guess.
It's not my
What?
car.
You started to smoke?
We getting lit? You won't smoke the pen.
Actually, you should cut it, Reese.
Why?
Because he asked about your car.
Who?
Cameron, he asked for you.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah!
Oh, now she's hot.
It's getting lit.
Put it on your tongue, you won't.
I'll give you the $300 that's in my wallet if you put that on the end of your knob.
Nah, pull the skin back and like drop it
Inside the skin.
inside the skin. Fold it up fold the skin over the light, alright.
So where's the grinder at? Top drawer.
Top drawer over in the filing cabinet. Oh dear. Cause it's got all these tools and shit in there. Easy to store them.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Jesus.
You sure there's no other grinding disc? Maybe you should go ask your father if there's any other grinding discs.
There is. They're hanging over there. Do they have some?
Where?
Up there?
Yes, they have. Push button.
That's where he normally hangs them. Should have looked. Oh, before me fucking yellow Mazda got took away, I was meant to take the number plates off it, eh? Sick rig. Little rig.
Bing Cameron.
Hi. Old hey. I'm coming to sit in.
I'll make it comfier.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Now, there's fucking a spider in there, no doubt. Yeah, what? My man hands? I ain't got no man hands, they're bitchy hands. Nah. I don't. Damn it. Here, what you want?
You need to undo that. Grab a hold of that and twist.
Oh my god. Taking.
Yeah, twist.
Fuck!
Oh, man hands can't do
Get
it.
the thing. Fuck it.
Where is it? That's why I couldn't find it. Oh, fuck.
Oh. Oh, yeah, pretty sure.
That's a new shift knob.
You cockhead.
She hasn't worked.
I mean, yeah, threw a nice seat. Chuck her under there.
You better just go for a drive, eh?
That under there. There we go. That's a better seat. Go for it, Ruff. Hold on, no, hold on. Oh, where'd I put in my water? Down here. Oh, no, I still got some. Hold on, we'll clean the front windscreen. Unlike every other car I own, except for the good ones, this has actually got windows. Clean it with petrol. Well, how the fuck did you take it off? Should be extension cord somewhere laying around here. This orange one. What did you say, cunt? About your dick? Smooth for every bitches tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night? What are you
Or
talking
tonight,
about?
I meant.
Tonight, mate.
No, mate, you can fuck me later.
Yeah. Alright. Don't tell your viewers that. It's purple unicorn me.
Go. That's not my YouTube channel. This is going on my Farm Boys YouTube channel, boys. Making one tonight. I'll make it tonight. Have mate.
Give me a second.
Slat. Put the window up, bitch.
I'm fine.
Denied.
Ew.
Yeah, slut. Right, what was I find in a bucket? I have to use a Tonka truck, cunt. Nah, I got this. Oh, it's got holes.
I should not plug in, eh?
Oh, yeah, good. Oh, it won't be on. It'll be plugged in. There you go. Nah. Ain't got no jacks. 1, 2, 3.
Alright. Do the thing.
Fuck off, bitch. Always got a jack laying around somewhere. I'll jack her up. We're chopping the mufflers. Fuck up, fuckhead. Just inherited this car for free, so. Yeah. Huh? Race, your mum's here early. Your mum's here early. Your mum's here.
What's the time?
Fucking 4:30. 5:20. 5:30.
Probably coming at 6, not that.
Yeah.
She knows how long you fucking shower for.
You fucking cockhead. Now we're gonna have to do it.
Just jack her up to the table, she'll be right.
Fucking hell. That thing ain't moving. It's because I'm a rig.
You know what you're jacking it up by? Has your dad got jack stand?
Not necessarily, but I'm gonna go for the middle and aim for that.
Because I'm not getting under it with no jack stand. What? Jack up from here.
What are you doing? Thought you were going.
Yeah, see that bar underneath?
Yeah, that big long bar.
Yeah.
That's what I was gonna go for, but it looked like some kind of thing to do with the axle.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah,
Message me 1 5 o'clock, so I wake up.
10 o'clock.
Where are you going?
5 when? 5 when? Like in the morning?
Oh shit.
Fucking ass cunt reckons 5 in the morning. There we go. Give her a twist. Jack her up.
Did you really listen to what Reese told you? Jack it up by?
It looks like the safest thing, does it not?
No, it doesn't. Here, I'll do it.
Unscrew that. No, it's fucking sitting too far back. It needs to be in the middle.
It doesn't matter. I'm gonna have a fucking jack stand under it. It's not gonna kill me.
True, I guess.
Where'd you find that big disc?
Huh? Oh, I must have brought a new one.
Alright, go grab the other jack stand. It's in the shed. Actually, keep jacking it. I'll show you when. Keep it going. One more. That's that one. I got another one.
We are going to be chopping it.
Oh, don't go under it.
Right there.
Give it one more jack.
Not good enough for you, bitch?
What, jack?
Down. Slowly. You good?
I'll get under that. But, just in case, put a bit of pressure on it.
Yeah, right.
I have to say,
Bye, race. Bye, racist lot. Bye, racy boy. See you, skank.
there it goes.
I gotta send him a video when we take it off. Is she off yet?
No.
No, it is. Keep going.
I'm gonna cut those.
No, you're not.
I got it. I gotta drop the muffler.
What is it? Just a muffler brace.
Yeah, just a muffler bracket.
Alright.
What did you think it was?
I don't know, something serious.
How much smoke?
Smoking them off. Oh, boil.
Why the fuck didn't we just unbolt it?
Because you're a dickhead.
Because you listened to Reese.
Yeah,
more. Okay.
Mad smoke. There she goes.
No, she don't. Don't do that. Hold on. Don't pull my fucking heads out of the way.
What?
Ow!
Here. I did a burnout on the brim of your hat.
I know.
Made marks on it. It's still attached. We just cut here, cut there, and then get in there with the grinder and just. I can just go through here. Fucking. You've like chewed down the blade already.
No, you haven't.
You have.
There it goes. You should have got Reese to put the rest of that fuel in, eh?
Hmm. Nah, hold on. wonder what's for tea. Olympic sprinter. She's an Olympic sprinter, Nick.
No.
That's probably why she jumps when you throw her in goo.
Finally, it's motorbike time.
What? Chopping the mufflers?
What?
Chopping the muffler?
Alright. Did you seriously have to pass your car then? Cameron, can you get my bike out, please?
Run me foot over again and I'll snap your neck.
Hey.
Oh, she off.
Nope, no one here.
Come on. Wow.
Dad, wait for me!
Yeah, right. Bring it this way.
I can't because that's
Hold on. Hold on. That'll do. Go, now bend it down.
It needs to be cut more. Come on now.
Watch out.
There we go. That bent it.
No, it didn't. It won't bend, it's still connected in that spot.
What spot?
Fucking rape me.
Oh, did you hear that?
Watch out. In over there.
Up the top. I'm not working in the safest environment right now. There's a fucking fuel tanker right next to me. Fucking don't fucking do that, cunt.
Whoops.
Fuck me. How dumb are you, bro?
Yeah, and he would have copped a back bumper to the forward.
There's another spot where it's connected. The crackles.
Crackle sounds mint.
I'm too close to a fucking fuel tank, man. You got some pliers or something?
Why? Rebuild. Got some pointy nose pliers or not?
Cutting pliers!
I'll fucking give you cutting pliers. Chop your fucking throat off. Yeah. You just headbutt the car.
Me?
Yeah.
Fuck no.
Fuck. Can't open them with one hand.
Hey, here she comes.
God, you're filthy. There we go, chopped her. Start her up. See what it sounds like now.
Can't open the door. Can't lock itself. Open the door. Cheers, lad. Ready?
Ready, Dad? We chopped the muffler. Dad, listen to it. Dad. Dad. Dad, we chopped it. Give it the beans.
All these go-karts and that.
Sounds mint.
Alright, we'll take Jack's hands off.
Jack her up.
Pull them out.
Nah, not yet.
Pull it now. Keep going. Yep. Let it down.
I can't do it with that hand.
Let it down.
Yeah, I can't. Kill me a car, bitch. Alright, put everything back inside.
You drag that. Jump in and go for a really quick ride. Just drive up and down.
Yeah, righto.
She sounds mint, doesn't she?
Hey, mate. Chop the seat out of that Ford.
Fuck, she's peppy, eh?
I can't hold on. You dog. Oh, I meant to wash the windscreen.
I can see where I'm going. Don't, that made a fucking... Who put the bike there? Fuck, he's dumb.
Declan, if you don't move that bike, I'm gonna fucking run it over when I come back. That's a bit savage. Can't.
She's peppy. Oh, I just said that. Try and handbrake you.
Fuck, we lost me hat. Holy fuck. Well, my new car's a goer. Sounds fucking better than Reese's car. Calm down.
Ready?
You can't run into the fucking side.
That's 100. Fucking brakes are good, eh?
Hit about 100 in like 5 seconds.
Ready? We'll do a top speed. I mean, 0 to 100.
Right, do a 0 to 100. Ready, set, go. Tell me when.
Drives like a bucket of shit. Yep. How the fuck did you drive up here?
I was sitting in 5th.
Well,
Yeah.
oh yeah.
Oh, you That gear crunch is mint.
Battery. Battery.
Yeah, stop. I'll put it back on.
I'll stop up here.
Must have hit too many bumps for her. Should have tightened it up before you left. Well, meant to.
I don't know how it's running on this field, eh?
Do a fucking, drop a donut, mate.
No, I'm too close to other people's farm equipment.
No.
Roast the clutch, eh?
Go. Oh, filthy. Well, I meant to put the thing back on.
It's fine.
Yeah, it must be fine now. The fucking clock's not ticking around, ticking away. Mad company steering.
The steering's fucked.
Fucking win. Don't get in the ruts, you cockhead. I got near before and I fucking ended up in the side cut. We got to pick up a new one tomorrow. You fucking cockhead.
Did I get you?
Then we got to pick up a new Falcon tomorrow, and then
Fuel.
and some fuel, and then give her the beans. I think we're going to take her to the bitcho, get them head to head, and just fucking smoke them off, boys. Not completely, but yeah. See what I mean? Fucking bang!
What do you think of that?
That was
It's not even hot.
won't get hot. That was only slow. It's only it's loud now.
So she's got take it over here so we can find the windscreen.
Playing the windscreen.
Wonder if he saw us hit that sign.
Lemon basher.
That was a key bang. Window up.
No. You do it.
I can't, the battery died.
Nah, it would have fell off. So, probably going to end this video at half an hour, and then end this video half an hour, and we'll start another one tomorrow with full battery. 'Cause-
Terminal completely off.
yeah, I would have.
Yeah, the battery needs charging. I reckon.
No, it'd be fine. So, in a minute 37, we're gonna stop recording.
Take more juice.
Wow, that window. Close your door. Loves it, boys. Right, I think I'm going to end it here, boys. I'm not even going to say if you're new to the channel, because you're going to be new to the channel. Because farm boys, share the channel, and we'll have videos of me, El Rango, and Reese in fucked up paddock bombs doing stupid shit like stupid cunts we are. So, see you next time, and subscribe.